I'm going to show this Bosch laser ruler. It's a laser measure tool, and the model is GLM 50-27CG. So this is the outer box condition, and this is the side profile, and this is the back, and this is the other side, and then back to the, this is the top, bottom, it's a hanging clip. Alright, so we're gonna open this. Alright, right off the bat, you can see the roller itself. Beautiful. Alright. I put the batteries inside. Battery. Alright, a certificate, pouch, a pretty thick manual. Alright, let's flip through it a little bit. Right, there goes the English version of the manual, but there are many different languages as well. Alright, so in the box, this is what it comes with, and can't wait to try out using the device. I'm gonna need to properly read the manual beforehand. But yeah, interesting. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And before you leave, I want to assure all of you that King Jesus Christ, He loves all of you and He is a healer. So please feel free to reach out to Him. He will answer. Thank you so much, everyone, again for dropping by. I see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.